Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. This time it's on my 1993 Mitsubishi GT. This is a backup light switch or reverse light switch. About a year and a half ago I replaced it, but I made a mistake when I replaced it. So throughout the video you'll see, but just to give you a heads up, I didn't use the proper tool to install it. Instead, I use a big socket, and the socket loosen up this the plastic part here. That would be yeah, the connection, the sensor, and so as a result, oil sits out of the joint here, and so I was losing the gear oil. So I had to replace it. So and follow along with me, and also the next video, because that would have been too long, and the next video there I will replace the gear oil entirely. Thanks for watching. We have to remove this box. All right, so now you see it leaks. So initially this part here is loose. I mean, loose. So I'm thinking maybe the gear oil is coming on the side of it, or maybe at the bottom. Okay, so I don't know yet. So let me go ahead and remove it. Stop.
Okay.
All right, so now I took the I took this out, and you see how the side here, it looks bone dry. So the gear oil is not coming from the bottom down here. Is not. So it leads me believe that it's just coming out of this corner here. It's because now it is now it's a little bit tight, but it's because I've been driving the car. It's really hard now. It's hot, so this part here was loose. So what I will replace it. Okay, so now a few seconds later I managed to turn it. Yeah, it's because it was hot. The vehicle was hot, so we had a perfect seal. So now look, it's loose. So the oil is coming out of the corners here. Here's what happens when contact is made and the oil goes in the hole here and then exit here. So the reason this is loose is because I damaged it. I didn't have the proper tool when I was putting it back in. I didn't have the proper tool, so this part here became loose. Now this is the new one, and you can see it's really hard. It's tight. It's not loose. Okay, so then we cut washer. I will put Teflon tape here. Not necessary because we have this here, how you call this again?
Washer.
Washer, there you go. But I will do that anyway. Okay, that's enough. Okay, so now I'm putting it back. And just slowly do it. Slowly. Take pictures. Make sure you're recording.
Yeah, I'm recording.
Slowly. Okay. All right. So this part here is still tight. Okay. Stop. So when I did it, I had the socket, and the socket. Pause.
Okay.
All right. So how I ended up damaging this. I damaged this is because I used this big socket, and the socket turned this thing loose. So because I removed the cover for the air filter, so I have more room, and with this I just place it again and just not touching the I don't touch anything except the metal part. Hey, look, it seems tight to me. Don't need to over tight it. Yeah. Now I'm going to plug it. Next, okay, we put this in there. It's very simple work, but the mechanic will charge you a lot of money for this. Okay, here, and it got this here, and we got this. Make a perfect seal, and then we got the screw. Okay, we got to screw this in. Okay, you just pause.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Okay, good. And then now the last thing to do with this part of the job, to plug back in the mass, the mass MAF, air flow sensor. Okay. I don't know the full name of it, but this is for the end. What's that called? Mass air sensor. I don't know. Oh well. Okay, so now we're done. All you have to do is just to plug this one here. That's for the math. Okay, it's in. So we're good. We're good with this.